In this video, I'll show you how to add a recipe in Myfitnesspal. This is useful if you cook meals at home and want Myfitnesspal to calculate the calories and nutrition per serving. First, open the Myfitnesspal app. Now tap More or Menu, depending on your device. Tap My Meals, Recipes and Foods. At the top, choose Recipes. Now tap Create a Recipe. Myfitnesspal may give you a couple of options. You can enter the ingredients manually, or you may be able to add a recipe from the web by pasting a recipe link. For this example, choose Enter Ingredients manually. Now enter a name for your recipe. For example, you could call it homemade chili, banana bread, chicken pasta, or whatever meal you're making. Next, enter the number of servings the recipe makes. This part is important. If the whole recipe makes 4 portions, enter 4 servings. If it makes 6 portions, enter 6 servings. Myfitnesspal will use this to calculate the calories and nutrition for 1 serving. Now start adding your ingredients. Search for the first ingredient, choose the closest match from the food database, then enter the correct serving size and amount. Add it to the recipe. Repeat this for each ingredient in your recipe. For example, if you're making pasta, you might add pasta, chicken, sauce, oil, cheese, and vegetables. Once all the ingredients are added, review the list. Check that the amounts look correct. If something looks wrong, tap the ingredient and edit the serving size or number of servings. When everything looks right, save the recipe. Now your recipe is saved in Myfitnesspal. To log it in your diary, go back to your diary. Tap Add Food under the meal where you want to add it. Choose My Recipes, find the recipe you just created, select it, then choose how many servings you ate. For example, if you ate 1 portion, log 1 serving. If you ate half a portion, log 0.5, then add it to your diary. And that's it, you've now added a recipe in Myfitnesspal